Welcome back to Spy Garage.
In the realm of ultra-luxury recreational vehicles, the 2027 Scania V8 770S launch, a masterpiece known as the ARLEMAR Super Power Motorhome, signifies a paradigm leap. It is a car that surpasses all expectations by fusing the unadulterated, powerful power of Scania's V8 770S engine with an unparalleled degree of custom luxury and technology advancement. This is more than just a motorhome. It's a mobile palace of luxury, demonstrating what can be achieved when robust engineering and unbounded creativity come together. Performance and engineering, unlocking untapped potential. The powerful Scania V8 770S engine, a titan of power and torque, is at the center of the ARLEMAR Super Power Motorhome. Typically used for the toughest commercial haulage, this powertrain serves as the basis for a vehicle that can traverse continents with ease, climb steep slopes, and maintain a dominant presence on any route. Thanks to sophisticated vibration dampening and soundproofing, the engine's powerful guttural scream would be hardly audible from the cabin. A highly advanced, fully automatic transmission and a specially built chassis that can support the weight and size of a residential building would complement this enormous power. Because of its immense strength, the car could have a lot of frills and luxuries without sacrificing functionality. Exterior design, a combination of elegance and fear. The ARLEMAR's exterior would be a brilliant combination of premium design and industrial strength. It would have custom bodywork that speaks to its opulent purpose, while yet embodying the powerful, forceful look of Scania's commercial vehicles. A deep, custom paint job, smooth, clean lines, and no obvious external fixtures would give it a monolithic, almost futuristic look. Panoramic views would be provided via large, flush-mounted windows, possibly equipped with smart glass technology for privacy and light management. A complex, multi-stage hydraulic system would enable the deployment of many slide-out portions, significantly increasing the inside capacity while parked, and the vehicle's sheer enormity would be a statement in and of itself. Inside, an opulent home on wheels. The interior of the ARLEMAR would be a tribute to custom luxury, unencumbered by the limitations of conventional RV design. No two models would be alike, and the degree of personalization would be complete. The finest materials would be used to create each surface, including polished stone countertops, exotic wood veneers, hand-stitched leather, and specially made metal embellishments. A grand living space, a roomy salon featuring a fireplace, custom furniture, and a top-of-the-line entertainment system. A gourmet kitchen is a high-end kitchen equipped with a dishwasher, oven, wine cooler, and full-size refrigerator. With a king-sized bed, a walk-in wardrobe, and a spa-like en-suite bathroom featuring a full-size shower or even a steam room, the master suite is a private haven. Extra space. Due to its immense size, it would be possible to accommodate a home cinema, a private office, a gym, or several guest suites. The ARLEMAR would have a complete voice-activated smart home automation system that would manage every aspect of the house. With a large solar and lithium-ion power system, a strong water purification system, and advanced waste management, it would be completely self-sufficient. Its scale would enable amenities that were previously unattainable in a camper, including a large observation deck on the roof or a full-size garage for a sports vehicle. The 2027 Scania V8 770S ARLEMAR is a conceptual marvel that pushes the boundaries of size, power, and luxury across the boundaries of luxury travel.